So it is Saturday. Tomorrow is supposed to be Sunday. And Janae Naylor's collection second drop is supposed to go live at Target tomorrow. So I called the one that's closest to me that had the first drop. The girl in the apparel department is gonna tell me, oh, we're not allowed to say when we're gonna get new shipments. And the light just went out. Oh, we're not allowed to tell when we're gonna get new stuff. That makes no damn sense. So tomorrow morning, I'm waking up at 6 a.m. because that's how I'm gonna spend the birthday money that I got. As long as it's going back into a black person's hand, I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, and I barely bought myself anything for my birthday. So I have my eyes on the two pants, the white one and the orangey one. Your girl is in her pants era. I actually have about 6 or 7 pants that I need to go hem. But I'm getting these one from the Janae Naylor's collection. And I also have my eyes on 2 of the dresses. The orange and yellow one and the navy one. And if I can find the waistcoats in Target, I'll get those too. But those are what I have my eyes on the new drop, on the new collection. So your girl got up bright and early, took a shower, and now we are here at Target. This Target is actually about 20 minutes away from my house. We have 3 Targets and they never have any of the black collection ever. And I feel like there's a lot of black people that live where I live. But anyways, I drove 20 minutes here. Hopefully they have everything that I want and need. But with that being said, it's 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna go walk my butt into the store, okay? Because the stocks are limited, very limited, and my mouth is dry. Oh, where's my lip gloss? All right, later.
Before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now. Child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italia, child for now. Child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want hard mark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no I never press.
The bags are secured, so this one, I'm happy. These are my birthday stuff to me and to whoever that sent me money for my birthday. This is what I did with it. But I'm heading home now. I'll show you the stuff that I bought in a in a summer lookbook or something. But if you want to see like me talk about them, you can check Instagram or TikTok. I left the red shirt, the orangey shirt that goes with the pants. I left that one because I felt like it was not I couldn't wear it multiple ways. It looks cute as a top and look cute as probably as a cover up, but I don't think I'm gonna wear that top a lot. So I seen another top online. It was a cheetah print top and I'm gonna get that top instead because the other tops weren't really my vibe, not really my thing. I don't like the square cut neckline, and the other one that is a top was the purple set top and skirt, and that's not really my vibe. That's really not my colorway. And then the dress with the little things at the belly area, that's not going to look good on my body type. I kind of have like a mom pouch, so yeah. So I got what I wanted. I'm just gonna hop online and get the one other shirt that was not in store. So I'm headed home. I'm happy. Deuces. I lost my library card.
Okay, that's what I said.
By the time I get there, though, it's off.
Oh, really? It takes a long time?
So I'm going to check it in a little bit, just to make sure.
Well, I stayed in there for about 5 minutes and it still was running. Yeah, really, yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay.
So we're at a home party. Where's my hobbies? Yeah, it's fine. So, since everybody's saying that the ladies are going out in underwear, this is my summer OOTD. Yeah, the top is from Shein. The bag is also from Shein. This is actually a crossbody bag that I turned into a waist bag. The skirt is Zara. Slippers is Hermes Aran. Sandals. Watch is Amazon. Ring, Amazon. Ring, Babe. And then the other ones are from Shein, pretty little thing all over. I can't remember. And then my earrings are also from Shein. My glasses are from Amazon. These are the Loewe Dupe glasses. A steal. So this is the fit.
What I'm gonna do is go over and let her rinse. Yeah, that's my plan. I'm gonna send you the phone.
Hi guys, so the last time you guys saw me, I was out at a foam party with the kids. I actually got a new library card and got the schedule for all the library summer activities. I used to take Kai to the library and do activities with him and stuff, so it's summertime again and they have a whole schedule of things. So I went, signed them up, got a new library card and got the schedule. And the first thing was they had a foam party. I took the kids. They had a great time. I'm so glad I took them. They had an amazing time. But now we're here. It is a few days away from Kai's birthday and I need to do some resetting because it's about to be a new month. And I got some stuff from Shein Home. I love every few months or every season I get a few new pieces to like refresh the house and switch things up that I want to be switched up, especially when it comes on to summertime, because Milani is a summer baby, I'm a summer baby, Kai is a summer baby, so there's a lot of things that normally happen in the summer in our household. So I like for it to look a certain way and new and refreshed. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I like having candy right here, so the kids can go and take something to eat. 1 and 2, I love candy also, but these are also from Shein Home. They look amazing, but with my kids, they're not going to work out. It's glass And my kids are always climbing up here, messing with stuff. So this is what we're going to do. I'm gonna move these. So this salad bowl is from Shein Home. I love that it's brown. It's gonna bring some warmth back into our house and into this bar area. And these flowers I've had since my birthday, and they have lasted so long. I love roses, but roses don't normally last very long. And you know what they say about flowers that are given in love versus obligation. They say flowers that are given in love versus obligation are always lasting longer. So that is a note to everybody. Don't give anyone flowers out of obligation. They won't last as long. So this curtain I really wanted to change because it's 3 curtains and I only wanted 2 up here. Also, we adjusted the curtain rod right here. The curtain rod is adjusted. You can see where the curtain rod used to be. I absolutely hate where they put this curtain rod. It's supposed to be all the way up there where you see those holes. All the way up there. It should be equaling that one. He didn't put it up right. I don't have time. I got some gorgeous linen curtain from Shein. They're absolutely gorgeous. They are a off-white and brown color. Absolutely love these. They're so cute. So this is how it looks. That's how far it goes down to the floor. I love the linen. I love the linen because it's nice and airy for summer and it allows a lot of natural light to come in. And over here is a little bit messy, but that's where Kai and Milani play, so I won't even mess with that just yet. So since Milani peed my bed, and I was fortunate enough to get a replacement for my white sheets, because I need replacements with kids like these. So once I have one in the washer, I can put another one on the bed. Shout out to Shein Home. They made it possible. details are really what makes the sheet set. I love when it has this so that my pillow don't show. We also saw a snake in the pool house today, and if you live in Florida, you always have creepy crawlies. That's one thing you have to remember. That snake was huge. Let's roll the clip. Welcome to Florida, where there's snake in the pool house. That is the biggest snake I've ever seen in my life. And the last time we killed the snake, oh yeah, it's a black snake.
I think it might be a, what is it, water moccasin?
Oh my god! Water!
What are you going at?
This is what happened. You live in Florida.
Yeah.
Look here, snow.
So there was a snake here and then they were going to
Very much so.
Oh, so you're chasing it back into the thing, bro.
How? Bring it this way, hold on. Towards the door.
So this area is giving a mess. So
Sorry.
What do I need that, Mommy?
this is the last step. What are you talking about?
I don't put it in your hand.
Yes,
Why?
because I didn't do the back. So
Mommy, take
go pick up your dirty clothes from out the bathroom floor and put it in the dirty clothes basket tag. Have it laid out on the floor.
What? Okay.
Reasons for coming to Australia and testing the information we have. So why have you come to Australia?
Mommy, it's cold.
Oh, sorry.
What do you intend to do while you're here?
Mommy, your hair looks stylish.
It looks stylish. Braid the front of her hair from last week,
Mommy.
and this is how it looks. Hold your head down. No one can see. So this is the last thing I'm going to do today because I'm missing some of the items. I'm supposed to get 2 picture frame to put right here, but I didn't get one of them. So the last thing I'm going to do today is get rid of Kai's old toys. His birthday is coming up and we bought him new toys today, so time to get rid of these. So this is how the pictures and the picture frame look. I got both the picture frames and the canvas from Shein. They actually look super amazing on the boys' room because I put these pictures up in the boys' room, and as you guys can see, it just have empowering stuff for black men. And later that day, I got another package with my purse. This is a purse that I bought from a black brand, and I absolutely love it. I love it's different. It's something that I don't have in my collection. I don't have a circular purse, and I like that it's white. But I really need to stop buying white purses. I need to add some more colors to my purse collection and some different variations of purses in my collection.
Peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body clear color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life a Cupid. Can't just be a Rex, now that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you've been. All I need to know is that
It's the next day. It's Monday. Today is July 1st. Tomorrow is Kyle's birthday. So we have some. Malani, we're going to the store.
Huh?
To the store.
What about the fun?
Going to the store. We got errands to run.
Why am I dressed up like this, Mommy?
What, Malani?
Why am I dressing up like this?
I didn't know you were dressing up. You have on regular clothes.
What? How do I take these regular clothes off?
See ya when we get to the store. It's either or. So please pick. It's either this, or this. That's just cupcakes.
You want to place an order?
Yes. So we're back home from the grocery store. We took the kids to the bouncy park and we had dinner, and I got some items for Kai's birthday. And they're in this box, and I'm not really opening it because I don't want to deal with the problems. If you have 2 toddlers, you already know. If I buy one thing for one and didn't buy for the other, it's going to be a problem. They're going to be fighting. So I'll save it until his birthday. I also went to the gym today. I'm back in the gym and I am super duper tired. Okay? Super duper tired. So, with that being said, I will see y'all tomorrow, because tomorrow is my baby's birthday. And we waited super late to order his rest of his stuff, his toys and stuff on Amazon, and they won't be coming until tomorrow. So I'm glad I got a few items so I can put it in a bag when we go to Chuck E. Cheese. Hopefully after we come home from Chuck E. Cheese, his stuff will be here and I can just give it to him. But with that being said, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Ready? Are you thinking too hard, bro? Oh boy. Come. Definitely about to have a rough time in school. You started crying. God. Come on. You okay? Smile, Papa.
3, 2, 1. Okay, everyone, sing along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You okay?
Happy birthday, dear Makhi. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Blow out those candles.
Make a wish and blow your candles out, Pop.
Way to go. Thank you.
Turn it, Mama.
We're never gonna forget this. We sure won't.
No, Blow, Papa, blow. We got one more over there.
You got one? Big shout out to the Lulus who brought you here today. Birthday son, great big happy birthday on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look. Maloney, look.
I wish what Maloney did.
Much again. I think you might have a few facts wrong. What do you mean, Chucky? Are right about there being servers in the line. We're right. But there are no monsters. I'm pretty sure I want to go home and get out of there.
You want to wait till you get home, Pop?
Are you sure? Yeah, pretty sure.
Okay.
You want me to put it back in the bag until you go home?
Huh?
I said they got pictures. I didn't get one.
Send them to me too. I said send them.
Earth is a real big planet with lots of stuff to see. There's a places fun.
Seriously, when you
So we just got home and
and
he opened the goggles and stuff, and that's what they're doing. They're in the pool playing. They had fun at Chuck E. Cheese for sure. I'm tired, if you guys can't tell.
I supposed to. Ah!
Well, as you can see, he can swim really good.
Okay.
So the kids just came back in. I'm going to chill, watch on TV until it's time for bed. It's currently 8:30, but I will see you guys in a day or so because we are going to celebrate 4th of July, and then that's when I'll close this vlog video out. So far so good. The kids enjoy themselves at Chuck E. Cheese, and yeah, I'll see you in a day. So it's good evening. Happy 4th of July. We are chilling. I made a nice charcuterie board. I made some juice. I made some food. I call these my ratchet charcuterie board because I only put things on here that we actually eat. Mac and cheese, tuna pasta, hot dogs. Let me not put the dirt down.
Then you light up the line and go, whoa,
Oh,
My, this is, my,
You can
this,
take the restroom on, but I definitely want to do it.
which one's that?
So this is one of Kai's birthday gift. It's my first geography book, and I feel like he can definitely grow into this. Kai is 6 years old, and I had to do a lot of this, like put it together. So it comes with sticky things, and you got to put it together for them. And it's the continents, and then you have Africa, population. It has a whole bunch of cool stuff in here, which I love. And Milani have one of these too, and I don't think the age was appropriate, so I got Kai his own, and I feel like this is going to challenge him and he can learn a lot. So I'll definitely link this. I got this from Amazon, and it's a really nice busy book. If you want your kids to have something to play with, you literally just take all of these off, and it has information on the bottom, which is something I really love about this one. Milani's one don't have like the information and all the extra information on there, so I love this one because this is definitely going to challenge him. So I actually brought Kai home on 4th of July. It's currently 4th of July. We popped fireworks. We had some really good food, and the kids enjoyed themselves. One thing I will say, when I brought Kai home on 4th of July, all the fireworks and all the noise and stuff, he could not sleep. I literally stayed up with Kai until like 3, 4, because we were living in an apartment and they were making a whole bunch of noise and they were partying and they were popping fireworks all night. I think I have a little bit of PTSD from that and how tired I was, but now I feel like I'm actually getting into 4th of July more. When I was a baby, I was not into 4th of July. It was always a holiday that annoyed me because the fireworks would scare Kai. So yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed their 4th of July, everything. And I'm glad Kai had a great birthday. So with that being said, I'm going to end this vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.